We are at the Corning Glass Museum where Alyssa is going to fulfill a lifelong dream to blow glass today.
I'm gonna make a flower. I'm really excited.
I'm gonna make a picture frame. It's not as sexy,
yeah,
but
the
practical.
picture frame was like ages 4 and up. And Heath was like, I wanna do that way. So.
Judge me. Anyway, if you wanna come here, there's RV parking as well. So you should definitely hit it up if you're gonna be in this part of New York. Let's go blow some glass. All right, we thought we were at the right place, but it turns out it wasn't. So you have to like walk a little bit to get to the museum or run.
Yeah, there's like a welcome, there's a welcome center and then you walk like a block to the museum. So we're gonna be late.
Alyssa has been legit telling me that she wants to blow glass for probably ever since we started dating. So the fact that we're getting to do that today is a big deal.
Late, and if we're late, they don't let you do it.
All right, we're going. We rolled up to that tiny little building we were at a minute ago. We're like, this is the museum. The parking lot's bigger than the actual museum. But we were wrong. This place is more like the size of an IKEA, which makes sense for a museum.
Oh wow, I didn't even notice that part. So now there's more walking to get to the studio. We have to hurry because we're running late.
Well, those are cool. Kind of terrified that they let me in this place. Growing up, my nickname was Messy Marvin, and I've broken approximately like 10 wine glasses since we moved into the RV. So that I'm just a walking hazard in here. I think they made the glass doors here. Which one are you making? Very official. We're gonna blow some glass today.
I've got my gloves, my arm sleeves, an apron, and safety glasses. So things are about to get crazy.
So for the background of your frame, you can choose any of these colors, and you'll add more colors on top of it. So.
Sweet. I like these. Oh, how many?
One.
Just one?
For the background.
The background? Oh my gosh, so much pressure. I think I like that one.
Okay. If you change your mind, you can always switch.
Okay. Is that a good one? Does it look good on there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where you want to cut, squeeze the handle, and it breaks really easily.
Heath is enjoying arts and crafts time.
I made my picture frame. I didn't realize that there was kind of separated into like a kid side and an adult side. On the adult side, you actually get to blow the glass. But I wanted a picture frame. I didn't realize that was kind of like the kiddie area. I didn't actually get to blow any glass. So Alyssa's over here decked out in full on like apron and gloves and everything else, and she's actually gonna get to blow the glass. But that's okay. I got a picture frame and she's gonna get to blow glass, which is what she wanted to do.
I don't think so. You can just...
How hot is the glass?
It's about 2,100 degrees.
Oh my gosh. If you touch,
See it below 1,000.
okay, what happens when it gets below 1,000? Does it just start?
It'll explode.
Okay.
She's gonna bring it to me and I'm gonna roll it out. I got a blue stem with a rainbow flower.
No, it's gonna look great. I don't know where we'll put it in the RV, but
We'll likely break it somewhere in the RV. But
I will likely break it. That'll be me.
yeah, that will be you.
Do you feel pressure? You got this?
I do feel pressure.
You got it.
A lot of pressure to perform. So cool.
How long have you been making glass?
4 years. I went to school for it.
Oh wow.
Your left hand, just your left hand right between mine, and roll through this to your finger. So right now we're just waiting for the glass to cool.
What did you just do?
I'm not entirely sure.
Didn't she say you're waiting on it to cool?
Yeah, you like cool it down and you're like kind of like shaping it out. And then you get more. Look, she got more.
Oh,
Now
wow.
we're getting the rainbow color on there.
Does that just kind of compress it together?
Yeah, it makes anytime you touch glass to another material, it cools it down pretty significantly and helps us roll it a little bit better.
5-year-old wearing like adult-sized things. I'm gonna pull my petals out.
Ooh.
Yeah, there you go. You can pull far, and you can grab hard. Just don't grab a lot of glass. Really nice and even.
It's fun to wear.
Right there. I'll go ahead and heat it up, and we're going to do that again.
That looks amazing. How was it?
That was a lot more of a workout than I thought it would be.
Alright, then it goes in the cooler. Yeah.
We just made glass. Well, Heath fused glass. I made glass. It's pretty cool.
Alyssa's was a lot more legit than mine.
Yeah, Heath was sitting there next to a 5-year-old making little glass art together.
You know what?
While I was in full out
I made a
gear.
picture frame for my granny, so if you want to make fun of me, you're also making fun of granny, so.
Oh my gosh, look at him.
If you do stop by the Corning Glass Museum, I would definitely recommend doing either the flower or the ornament, because then you can actually either shape the glass or you can blow the glass, which is pretty cool. The picture frame, you don't actually blow or shape anything, so.
Oh, I tried to tell you.
You didn't tell me that. You just said ages 4 and up. Monopoly's 4 and up. It's still fun.
Oh my gosh. Monopoly is not 4 and up.
She said, go follow the red line. So we're following the red line. What's at the end of it? I don't know.
No, the museum's at the end of it.
Just have to keep watching the video. Hey, don't ruin it. I wanted the suspense.